If you like to make pipe cleaner animals, this alligator is a great addition to your collection. It's easy, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 6 green pipe cleaners, 1/3 of a white pipe cleaner, thick white craft glue, googly eyes, and fingernail clippers. To start the alligator, hold 2 pipe cleaners side by side and bend them in the middle. You don't want to make a sharp crease. This is going to be the alligator's snout, so you want to just have a loose bend that's just a little bit rounded, just like that. To make the head of the alligator, hold one of the pipe cleaners about an inch from the end of the snout. Hold it against those pipe cleaners and bundle it around, one coil right on top of the other, to make a nice round head for your alligator. Take another pipe cleaner and start where you left off. Wrap it loosely around those pipe cleaners to start forming the body of your alligator. So make the coils really close together, almost right on top of each other, and keep it loose. Do the same thing with one more pipe cleaner, beginning where you left off. As you get to the end, towards the tail, you can start wrapping it tighter to make it skinnier at the end. When you get to the end of your pipe cleaner, gather it together with the other loose ends and twist the whole thing, and twist the very end into a pointy end for the tail of the alligator. Cut the last pipe cleaner into thirds and set one piece aside. You will only need 2. We'll make the front and back legs of the alligator. To do this, fold one of the pipe cleaners in half in the middle to make a V, and then just turn up a small oval at the end for a foot and bend it forward. Do the same thing with the other side, and do the same thing with the other piece of pipe cleaner. Now you're going to separate a few coils near the top of the body and stick those front legs down into the coils, and do the same thing toward the rear of the alligator, leaving a nice long tail. Measure a piece of white pipe cleaner so that it's the same size as the snout. So I'm going to cut right there with my fingernail clippers. And bend that white piece into the same shape as the snout. Insert the piece of white pipe cleaner into the mouth and position it so that it's snug up against the top of the mouth for the teeth. The last step is to glue on the eyes. We want to make them stick up just a little bit on the top so our alligator can see when he's swimming in the water. So put some blobs of glue on there and position the eyes. Once the glue is completely dry, your alligator is ready to go. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner and other types of crafts. There's new episodes every week, so you don't want to miss one.